time they go through that, they drop right into that crack. Well, the vehicle's wider than the crack, so there's no reason to fall into the crack.
There is if you got narrow axles.
Well, I'm saying their vehicles, let's say,
yeah, they don't
their
have a
axles
problem.
are wider than the crack.
Yeah, theirs is, yeah.
So all they got to do is watch the extension.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah, when you got that kind of force forking,
Yeah.
it's not too hard to break something.
No, you don't. A little bit. Look at that thing flex.
That's what I mean.
That's asinine, isn't it?
I know.
He's got limit straps on the front, so it won't go any further.
Well, yeah, you'd have to.
That was a legitimate stop. You're fine.
Keeping me if that other car was a little further over, this car would stay up on the rock better.
Yeah, Mike, but yeah, it could.
Oh, yeah, it's touchdown now. Coming.
Because then by the time you come out, you'd be opening up.
Mm-hmm.
And see, that's the other bad thing when you hang a tire like that is see it start to slip.
Mm-hmm.
Start to slide.
Yeah.
That's why I try to keep it running with all possibility. All 4 tires on a rock.
Oh, that's
No matter
the way to go.
how little.
Kind of hard to do it that there.
Yeah.
That's really.
But at least it's taking it nice and slow.
Yeah, you have to.
Well, I've seen people when it didn't slip.
Oh, I know.
And they all end up in the same place.
Mm-hmm.
All I know is
Because
somebody's going to get a lot of damage. There's a lot of oil down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't spin tires on rock like this without it sliding around.
Oh no, you can't.
Oh, he got it. Could be coming down just as he's going. Yeah. Put a smile on your face.
Straight, not yours. Oh yeah, I can make that.
I seen a Cherokee get swallowed in that hole one time.
What?
Yeah, I'm not used to that much cushion under my tires.
Yeah.
I lowered them down to 20.
Did you? I put 15 in mine.
Yeah. I've been using, I had about 25, 28 in them.
Yeah.
I'm not used to that. I hit and it's like, whoosh. It's like, oh shit, what's going on?